Hey iPhone users! So you just updated to iOS 18 and now your screen is glitching like crazy? You're not alone. Let's dive into why this might be happening and how you can fix it. First off, early versions of major updates often come with some bugs. It's totally normal and usually gets patched up in the next update. So keep an eye out for any new iOS updates and install them as soon as they drop. Another culprit could be incompatible apps or settings. Sometimes the apps you love haven't quite caught up with the new iOS. Make sure all your apps are updated. Just head over to the App Store and hit Update All. Corrupted data during the update process can also mess things up. If your screen's still going haywire, try restarting your device. A simple reboot can solve a lot of minor glitches. Press and hold the power button until you see the slider, then swipe to turn off. Wait a few seconds and turn it back on. For those using older iPhone models, iOS 18 might be a bit too heavy for your device. You could try resetting your settings. Go to Settings, General Reset, and then Reset All Settings. Don't worry, this won't delete your data, just your preferences. If none of these steps work, you might need to restore your phone to factory settings. Make sure you back up everything first. Go to Settings, General, Reset, and then erase all content and settings. This can help resolve deeper software conflicts. Alright, I hope this helps you get your screen back to normal. If you have any other questions or tips, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.